CLAT aspirants, just another 2 days for your exam. Feeling nervous, right? So our expert faculties who taught you for the 1 year, or even the faculties that you know through the marathons, have something to tell you. Let's watch them, what they want to say to you. Come with me. Hello, sir. Can I just have your 2 minutes?
Oh, of course. Tell me.
Sir, as you know, the CLAT exam is just day after tomorrow. So anything that you want to tell our students, like they're very nervous. I took a session yesterday and they were like, ma'am, don't know what to do in logical, like how to increase the score. So like anything that you want to say.
Plug this in. Where is okay, there is a camera. So first up, what exactly do you mean by nervous? You are nervous because you want to succeed, because you want to win, right? So whenever you are nervous, just hold on to that feeling that this nervousness is coming from this intense desire to be a winner. The more nervous you are, the better it is for you, because this will allow you to succeed. And let's not forget that we have prepared you really very well. You have also put in a lot of effort. So when you go ahead, write the exam, you'll have a question in front of you. You have your preparation with you. Use that to answer as many of the questions as you can. Don't forget all the countless tips that Barka ma'am has given to you. And for logical reasoning and RC, we are going to conduct even more sessions for you today as well as tomorrow. So keep attending those. And besides, I'm sure Barka ma'am will ensure that you go there and go to the examination hall in an absolutely positive frame of mind. So all the best for your exam this Sunday. I'll see you on the other side.
Thank you so much, sir. Let's go to the Jyoti ma'am now. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Busy?
No, ma'am. I'm free.
You know, the CLAT exam is day after tomorrow. So anything that you want to tell our students? Like,
yes, definitely. So I have taken so many classes. You guys are so amazing. इतने intelligent students हैं आप already. और बस मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी.
We have a good batch this time.
Yes, very good batch. Very talented students. So I would like to say कि आप लोग बहुत focused होके अपना exam दें. आप comprehension पे ध्यान दें. Because क्योंकि आरसी बेस्ड पेपर है पूरा ही, तो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन सबसे मस्ट है और उस पर बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान दे.
You won't believe I took a session yesterday and all of them were saying the same thing. Ma'am, reading speed, paper पूरा नहीं हो रहा है. I don't know what to answer to them. Like just another 2 days and what can we tell them? But yes, like.
इट्स ओके. कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना पड़ता है, तो अब इस थॉट को पीछे छोड़ दो कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है. जस्ट फोकस ऑन डूइंग, do it and just believe in yourself, because I believe in you, ma'am believes in you.
Absolutely. I told them that they are already the winners in our eyes. Like they have done so well during their preparation. Like so many of the people just quit their preparation in in between. So if they have reached at this point, so I particularly think that yes, they have already won. So.
Exactly. So if you've actually reached here, you will go far. There's a long way to go. All the best, do well, and we're here for you.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. So who is next? Ashish sir. Hello sir, can I have your 2 minutes?
I'm good.
Sir, CLAT exam परसों है. So anything that you want to tell the students?
Hello students, wish you all the best for your exam. You guys have really worked hard for it and I believe that you will give your best. So all the best to all of you. Thank you.
Now let's see what Raj sir has to say to you. Sir, आप टीटी खेल रहे हो, बच्चे डरे हुए हैं.
अगर डरने से मार्क्स बढ़ते हैं तो थोड़ा और डरो. CLAT is a stupid exam and a very intelligent exam. ठीक है? कैसा यार? हाँ. It's very simple to understand. It is a stupid exam because there is an insane ratio. 40,000, 50,000 people appear and only 2,000 seats are there. But it's a very beautiful exam for those who can just keep their composure and calmness with them for those 2 hours. 200 कितने 120 क्वेश्चंस हैं. 120 क्वेश्चंस करने के लिए 2 घंटे आपके पास. उसके अंदर how many you can do? Only whatever is your ability and that you have developed over a period of time of preparation. Also, one very important thing is that your real competition is not those 40,000 or 60,000 those who have applied. The real competition is among only those 7,000-8,000 who have really prepared really well. You know, those who have put their sweat, blood, whatever. And that number is not more than 8,000 to 9,000. So all the best. Just chill. Go with the happiness. The more happy you are, better your performance will be. And before going to the exam, talk to your parents. Tell them that you will make them proud.
तो राज सर ने तो बोला that you will make your parents proud, but I'll say you have already made us proud. I have seen that how much hard work you have put into the last 6 months or 1 year of preparation, and इसीलिए मुझे पता है कि particularly आप legal reasoning के section में तो बिल्कुल फाड़ के आने वाले हो. And even if अगर आपको किसी भी moment पे ऐसा लगता है कि exam के बाद भी आपको हमारी ज़रूरत है, तो I personally and iQuanta will be always there to help you out in every way possible. Just ping us up और do let us know in the comment section कि अगर कोई भी और query है तो हम आपकी resolve ज़रूर करेंगे. Till then we will see you. All the very best for your exam.